Imagine you're hunkered down, a grid-down scenario, civil unrest. You've done the work, you've got the supplies, the shelter, the plan. But then you hear it, a faint rhythmic hum. You look up, but there's nothing but clouds. You're being watched, and you don't even know who's holding the remote. This isn't science fiction. It's the new reality of drone democratization. Today, a cheap $500 drone can track your movements, map your supplies, and follow you straight to your BOL, your bug-out location. Here is your guide to passive UAV countermeasures for survival and escape. In fact, most people lose the moment they are spotted simply by panicking, running, shouting, and revealing their final destination. But here is the good news. You don't need a missile launcher or an engineering degree to win this fight. You need clever, passive, and legal tactics. First, visual camouflage. Wear earth-tone clothing with a brimmed hat to shadow your face. Avoid reflective logos and high-visibility gear that pop against natural terrain. Second, move along terrain features, staying within shadows to break your silhouette. Third, avoid open fields during peak drone flight hours, typically mid-morning through late afternoon. Fourth, master light discipline. At night, kill all light, phone screens, cigarette embers, and watch LEDs. IR-sensitive drone cameras can detect even a few milliwatts of light instantly. Fifth, thermal signature management. Drones use thermal imaging to find heat contrast. Deploy a mylar space blanket. It reflects over 95% of IR radiation, masking your heat signature. Use a tarp or umbrella overhead to create a thermal barrier against the cold sky. Finally, manage your electronic footprint. Power off all RF emitters, smartphones, GPS, and smartwatches. Even in airplane mode, disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to avoid detection by IMSI catcher drones. If drones are watching, straight lines are a death sentence. Never use the same route twice. Break up your rhythm, vary your speed and direction, and stop frequently to scan your surroundings and listen for the whirring of drone rotors. Avoid key landmarks. Main roads, bridges, and intersections are prioritized by drone patrols. Stay away from these locations. Finally, take advantage of periods of low drone activity. Strong winds and heavy rain ground most civilian UAVs due to battery drain and safety limits. This is your best time to cover longer distances. Here is how to vanish from drone sensors. First, leverage the canopy. You need at least 70% foliage closure. Dense leaves aren't just for shade. They scatter visible light and absorb your body's IR radiation. Stay under the thickest crown projection to ghost your thermal signature. Don't just hide behind a tree, use it as a baffle. Position the trunk directly between you and the drone's flight path to break your silhouette and cast irregular shadows. If they're circling, you're moving to keep that trunk between you and them at all times. Rocks and boulders are your best friend for thermal mass. They hide your heat signature by matching the ambient temperature. For true invisibility, go subsurface. Culverts offer total occlusion from aerial view. Finally, if you're camping, go improvised. A debris hut lined with mylar creates an essential thermal shield. Combine that with natural camouflage, and you'll be invisible to thermal and optical sensors alike. Spot a drone high and far? Freeze. Running guides it to you. Drop low, blend into the terrain. If spotted, break line of sight immediately. Use cover, rocks, trees, buildings. Don't just hide behind it, move to sever its view. Do not run straight to camp, vehicle, or supplies. Scatter, make them hunt you. Once hidden, stay put. Wait. Drones have limited power, around 60 minutes max. Your patience defeats them. Remember, you cannot outrun or outdrive a drone. Freeze, hide, wait. That's how you evade.